Hey, Women in Art class. Here's my living room, which you're going to be seeing a little more of lately because, as you know, the next couple weeks of class, we're going to be doing a little bit more remotely. I will be sending you a lot of videos. You'll still have the same assignments and exams scheduled that you had before, but we'll just be doing the lecture discussion part online. I haven't quite decided how I want to do it yet. It sounds kind of exciting to me to try and mix live communication through Zoom with some like pre-recorded YouTube videos that I'll make. I'll also have you doing some activities via Canvas. So I'm going to kind of be flexible and play it by ear. You should try and be like that too. I know I talked to most of you in class on Wednesday, although some of you were out. So I'm just going to recap the whole thing really fast for those people's benefit. So what our school has decided is that classes that can be taught remotely are going to do so through the end of spring break. So we've got 2 more weeks before spring break, then we'll have spring break, and then hopefully we'll all be able to return to campus. Of course, we'll just see how things go, but that's what we're going to just assume for now. The way that it will work for my class is going to be different than for your other classes. So make sure you check in with each instructor. Some classes really can't be transferred online, and those might continue happening in person. Some teachers don't want to do it, and they'll find some other way. So, just try to be as fluid as possible. And remember, your teachers are adjusting, and so they might be under some stress, but we're all really interested in having everybody be able to succeed despite our plans changing. So, be open to reaching out to people, asking them for extra help if you need it, telling them if you don't understand something. I think everybody's going to kind of be a little more flexible than they usually are during this next couple of weeks. I, though, am pretty excited about it because I think I'm going to learn some new things about teaching. So what you can look out for from me is probably Monday morning or maybe a little bit before. I'll send you an outline for what Monday's class would be. Keep the time that we usually meet free. Assume you'll do that for the whole 2 weeks, although I'll let you know for sure when I know. But on Monday, I think we'll try and do a live conference kind of meeting all together, at least for a little while. I will be recording those though, and I'll make sure to make them available. So if something's going on with you or your family, don't stress out if you have to meet it. If you have to miss it, try to be there, but I'm going to make sure that everybody has alternative options too. So sometime either before Monday or Monday morning, I'll be sending you through Canvas a little outline that tells you what we're going to be doing for that day. Make sure you're checking your email regularly. And if you're not getting emails from me in general, I post them through Canvas announcements. So it's possible that you need to go into Canvas, and I'm pointing to where it would be on your screen. It would be like on that side, I guess. No, it would be on that side. You'll figure it out. There's a part where it shows your picture, or it says profile or something like that. You click on that, and then you'll be able to find where it's got your personal information, like your email. It might have your wrong email or something like that. So go in and check and make sure it's there. There's also a button right over there called notifications, and you can set what notifications you get from Canvas. If none of that seems to work for you or you can't figure it out, just check Canvas and look at the announcements tab, because all of my emails will be there in the announcements too. So that's a start on what you should be looking out for. I'm very happy to answer individual questions over email, but I am a tiny bit swamped, so I might be a little slower than usual, but I'll still get to you. And again, I'm committed to being flexible for y'all. I know people are dealing with all kinds of different confusion. You're worried about your plans. So just know that I want you to succeed. I'm going to work with you to try and figure out how to make that work. Okay. Have a good day. Bye.